This is the first snowfall, 2000. Well, it's the day after Christmas, 2010.
Oh,
December
sorry.
26th. Blizzard just started.
Okay, I'm sorry.
This is the blizzard.
Ready?
Look at that. And it only started about 2 hours ago, and we already have a couple inches.
Uh-oh.
Ready? Boom! Boom! Boom!
Boom!
Boom! I'm gonna throw it at Daddy. Boom!
Ready? Angu! Here it goes.
Tyler, I'm gonna throw it at you.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh.
We're throwing snow in front of Aunt Jen's house.
Boom!
Whoa!
Mason, I gotta fix you one glove, baby. Fix that glove.
Oh, okay. You guys cold?
Whoa!
Is it too cold? We gotta go in.
Yeah.
All right, 5 more minutes, okay? Tyler, I'm gonna throw it up in the air. Tyler, look at the camera.
Come here,
Look at the camera.
Mason.
Watch.
Hold on.
Boom!
Your gloves.
Boom!
Baby.
Boom! Boom! Look at that, look at that. Boom! I'm gonna throw it again. Boom! Boom!
Boom!
Boom!
Whoa!
Boom!
Mason, your glove is
Tyler,
falling off.
Frosty Snowman was a jolly happy snowman with a corn cup eye, button nose, and 2 eyes made out. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found. You want a videotape?
No, you can. Good.
Okay, say bye. Be back maybe tomorrow
Say
when it's
bye-bye.
even more snow.